So in this video I'm going to cover using AutoLisp from Axciscape to do our export to CAD. AutoLisp is a sort of built-in programming language that people can use to write custom routines and automate things. It's been replaced really with Visual Lisp, but that hasn't been implemented in AutoCAD LT, only the vanilla AutoLisp has. So if you have AutoCAD full version or AutoCAD LT 2024, 25 or 26, I believe 26 is out now, then you can use the Lisp export. So I'm going to open the demo and go to export to CAD, and you can see now we've got a new option here. We've got the script, the original DXF export layers, but we've also added AutoCAD Lisp, and you use it in the same way as the script. You just hit the build button and then run it in AutoCAD. It's very simple and well worth using, but it does require a little bit of setting up in AutoCAD, which I'm going to cover now. So the first thing you need to do is obviously install Axciscape and at least have run it once, so that Axciscape can build the base Lisp file. So once you've just run Axciscape, open up your AutoCAD. I'm using 2025 LT. Put some sort of drawing in. I'll put the CAD drawing in, which comes with Axciscape. The demo CAD drawing. And then you need to go to the Manage button, the Manage tab, and click Load Application. And come down here to the Startup Suite. These are Lisp programs which will automatically be loaded when you start up AutoCAD. So I'm going to open that and then add, and now you've got to find this file, and it's going to be in your Axciscape workspace folder in the active folder. So wherever that is, probably in your documents folder. Mine's in the E drive, but find that folder, open up the active, and you have something ending with .lsp, which is a Lisp file. You need to click that and click open. So that's been added to our startup suite, and then we close it. And now you need to close AutoCAD and restart it. So I've restarted AutoCAD and this message box pops up. It'll only happen once, and it's just basically checking that you're happy to use this Lisp file. So click Always Load. If you click Load once, then it's going to pop up again. So click Always Load, and I'm just going to load the demo CAD, which is in the Axciscape work folder in the demo files, simply because this matches the file we're about to test this on. So this is the demo in Axciscape, and it's got all the trees and groups plotted. The actual CAD file doesn't have the trees plotted, so we're going to plot them on it. So I'm going to export to CAD, select the AutoCAD Lisp. So I'm going to hit Build File, and it's basically telling me to type AXC in AutoCAD to run the Lisp. So let's go to AutoCAD, and I'm going to type AXC and hit Enter. And there are the trees plotted. I'm going to refresh REA, because sometimes AutoCAD doesn't do that, just to get my dash lines up. So if I now undo all that, Control Z. So I've undone all those changes and go back to CAD export and use the script file. And I've got a script button here, so if I hit that script button now, it's running through the script, slowly plotting the trees. As you can see, it takes a lot longer. If I undo that, and type AXC again to run the LISP version, it's practically instant. So it's a big time saver, especially for a very big site job. So that's it really for this video. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one.